Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today I'm in Davenport, Florida, and guess what I just ran into? It's a food truck, a Jamaican food truck. So guys, let's go over and see what's going on. It really looks inviting. Hello sir, how are you today?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Sir, would you mind talking to me for a minute about your business?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay. This is your food truck that you operate?
Yes, my lady.
Okay. What inspired you to start operating a food truck?
What inspired me is basically I couldn't find food when I just moved to Florida, so I say,
okay,
let's do a food truck so I can at least bring some good and tasty food to the people in my community.
Right. And how has that been going?
It's been excellent so far.
Okay. What are the dishes that you serve?
So we have a full menu with oxtail, curry goat, curry chicken, brown stew chicken, jerk pork, jerk chicken.
Okay, just about everything.
Yeah.
All right. And sir, how do you source the ingredients for your?
We source our ingredients from Restaurant Depot and the Caribbean Super Centers and the local farmers around town.
Those are nearby. Okay. And you don't have any problems getting those
No.
items. How would you compare the flavor though of those ingredients to the flavor of the ingredients that are grown in Jamaica?
We use the same ingredients that's from Jamaica.
You find that they taste the same way?
Yeah, a little bit different, but
Yes. But you try to maintain the authenticity of the Jamaican. Okay. Have you had any interesting stories or experiences with the customers that you want to share with us?
not really.
Okay, but who are the persons who support you most?
So most of my, I have a wide base of customers, local
Right.
people, tourists, international people, Jamaican people, Caribbean people. So we get our fair share of everyone.
Okay, a wide variety of customers. And how do you compare, how would you compare operating the food truck to operating, say, a restaurant?
Food truck is less cost efficient because basically you don't have a lot of overhead. So
Right.
but the workload is the same like as a restaurant.
Right, food prepping and
It will be the same as
all,
a restaurant.
yes.
Even more harder.
Okay. So what I would like to ask you, do you have any special dishes that you have created, or do you just do the Jamaican original dishes?
We just do the basically Jamaican original dishes. The only dish that we created is basically our jerk wings, where we add our own spices and own sauce to it, homemade jerk sauce.
Okay, so that's your secret ingredients that you put on that. Okay. And how long have you been operating?
We've been operating over 5 years now.
Yes, and you find that the business is good and it's growing.
The business is growing tremendously.
Okay, great, great. Any last words for our customers, sir?
Come and check us out.
Okay.
Best Jamaican food in town.
Best Jamaican food, and we're at Davenport, Florida. I see a customer here who just came up saying yes. So you're agreeing with him?
Yes,
you've,
absolutely.
Yes, you've been supporting his business for a while?
Absolutely.
Okay.
3 months now.
3 months. And you would encourage persons to...
Absolutely.
Okay, great, great. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good enough.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Fine, thank you. Do you come here very often?
All the time.
How do you find the food?
Food is excellent.
It's excellent?
Excellent food.
Okay. Is it just like how it's prepared in Jamaica?
And even better.
Wow, wow. So you would encourage customers to come here?
From all over.
Okay, okay. Good. I see you drinking some soup. What kind of soup is that?
Goat soup.
Oh, goat soup.
Yes. Good,
Yeah?
Good for your health. Good for your strength. And all of that.
Good
So,
for okay. All right. Oh. Well,
Yes.
it looks like it's good. So there you have it, guys. The goat soup, highly recommended from a long-time customer.
Very.
All right.
Since day one.
All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Best food. Best food right here. Yeah, get no better than this.
Take one last look around. It's Simply Delicious food truck, and it's right here by the interstate of I-4 West in Florida. Guys, I'm gonna have to check out this food because it's highly recommended, and I just want to see if it is as good as it's recommended. So guys, until next time, thank you for watching, and ciao.